Hey guys, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I'm going to share with you what I'm currently working on, and I'm going to show you a couple of mini fabric hauls that I've done recently. Both groups are from Joann Fabric, so I'm going to share that with you. So let's get started. So the first thing, as far as what I'm currently working on, this is another Minerva project that I'm currently working on. I've cut it out, but I haven't actually started sewing yet. This is the Jaylee Patterns Eleanor pull-on jeans, like this. I've made these before. It's been several years, honestly. Loved them when I had them, so I'm going to try it again. This is the material that I'm using. It's actually like a jeggings fabric, so it's got some stretch, and so this is what I'm going to use. And like I said, I do have them cut out. They're just waiting to be put together, so hopefully all that'll work out well with this fabric. That's what I'm currently about to start, so we'll see how that goes. I want to try to do this mostly on the serger, I think, but we'll see how all of that works out. As far as the little mini fabric hauls that I have done a couple of recently, the first one, these were purchased during Black History Month, and these were three fabrics I bought from Joann's. These are all cotton fabrics here. So there's that one, this one here, and this one. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I really like those fabrics. So now the next little fabric haul was just a couple of weeks ago. I went into Joann's, and since it is currently, when I'm filming this at least, March is Women's History Month, I got this Girl Power fabric. I want to do something with this, like a button front blouse. I've made them before. I have one that I made a year or so ago in solid white, but something like that I think would be really cute with that. And these two are to go together. These are also cotton fabrics. This is going to be for placemats. I often make my own. Actually, I almost always make my own placemats for my dining room table. For springtime, I was thinking something green would be nice, so I think I will use these two for making the placemats. So that is about it at this time. Oh, let me show you some springtime ideas I have for some other projects. One of the springtime projects that I actually just finished is this here, this Hot Patterns Breton Tee, Weekender Breton Tee. This pattern is from 2005, I believe. I just made this in red and white, and I'll post a picture somewhere to show you that one. So that's a project that has just been completed. As far as what I'm thinking of, I've seen quite a few people doing hats lately, and I have these two patterns that I've never used, and so I'm thinking of using a cotton and maybe doing some fabric scrap busting, whatever, with some cotton or denim, and making possibly one of these. I like this one here, like a bucket hat. These are really popular actually right now. It's like a 90s kind of thing, retro. But so I'm thinking of doing like the bucket hat, and I like some of these options on this pattern as well. This is Butterick 4204, and this one is Simplicity 9368 on that one. This is the pattern. It's McCall's 2094. This is the one that I use for the camp shirt, is what I call it. This one here, short sleeve, that I may do with the Girl Power fabric, because I think it'd just be cute and fun, and why not? That's the thing about sewing. You get to make whatever you want with whatever you want. And I think I would like to try this again. I did this pattern. It's Hot Patterns 1158. It's called Fast and Fabulous Tailored Track Pants. This pattern here, it's an older pattern. It's probably, I'm pretty sure it's out of print. I believe this might be from 2005 as well. But this is one that I did make once before. When I made it, it was years ago, and I was not as good at fitting myself or fitting in general when I made it the first time. And I've held on to this pattern all this time because that's what I do. So I'm thinking I would really like to give this a try. This is for woven fabric, I do believe. Something medium weight, it says drapey fabric. So I think I may give this one a try again. Since I'm much better at fitting than I used to be, especially for things like pants and all of that. So that one I think would be a good project to go back to. And that's the thing. I think it's when you've made something and it doesn't quite come out and you want to scrap the whole thing or throw the pattern out, rather than do that, what I tend to do is to, because I do hang on to my patterns and I actually trace a lot of them, so I'll hang on to it, and who knows, years later I will go back to it, redo it, I can get a better fit. And those things like that, that's what I tend to do, is just sort of reworking a pattern or doing whatever I need to do to get a better fit. And it's not more complicated, but I usually will get much better results. So that's what I want to do with those pants again, and see how that one works out. But that is it for this video. Let me know what you all are working on. If you have any questions or comments about anything, leave it down below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.